Three things that do not automatically matter in a Utah divorce. Some facts feel extremely important in a divorce, but legally, they don't always carry the weight people expect. Here are three examples. First, who cheated? Infidelity often matters deeply on a personal level, but Utah is a no-fault divorce state. Cheating by itself does not automatically determine property division or child custody. It may, however, be relevant to alimony in limited and case-specific ways, particularly in assessing how much or how long one may pay for or receive as alimony. Even then, adultery does not guarantee a higher or lower alimony reward. It may affect how much is paid or received, but it just as often has no legal impact at all. Second, whose name is on the account or title? Titles and account names matter for some purposes, but they do not automatically decide whether something is marital or separate. Courts look at how and when property was acquired and used, not just whose name appears on it. Third, who moved out first? Moving out does not mean someone gave up rights to the marital home or other property or to child custody. Courts focus, or at least should in principle, focus on the stability and the children's best interests, not symbolic gestures. Here's the takeaway. These things, infidelity, who's on the title, and who moved out, aren't meaningless, but they aren't shortcuts either. They don't decide cases on their own. Divorce outcomes turn on the totality of the evidence, the weight of the evidence, credibility, and how the case is actually prepared and presented to the court, not on assumptions or popular myths. Understanding that early can save you time, money, and a lot of unnecessary distress and worry due to the ignorance of the process. That perspective alone can make the process clearer, calmer, and far more manageable. And it puts you in a better position to make informed, strategic decisions rather than reactive ones.